Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Hello Beautiful stamp set, along with the Beautiful Shapes dies, the Biggest Wish stamp set, and of course, you guessed it, the Design the Daydream Host Only Designer Series paper. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have the paper pumpkin kit for July. You have until July 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. Oh, excuse me. And it is a card kit with a nautical theme. Okay, and I have a link in the description box below for this to subscribe to the paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have our new host code for July. Yay, July! This is my birthday month. So this is the host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will be eligible for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. Now, I don't have a printout, but since it's July 2nd, dun, 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 it's celebration time. Yay! Celebration started July 1st and it ends August 31st, 2022. And I can actually show you the catalog. So whenever you order during the month of July and August, you can qualify to earn free products, okay? So how do you qualify? A $50 order from the brand new mini catalog, or even the annual catalog, or even the clearance rack online, or the card kits online. Anything you order from Stampin' Up in July and August can qualify you for free celebration rewards. So we have two levels. Level 1 is $50. So if you purchase $50 worth of product, you can choose any of the free items in the celebration brochure that says free with a $50 purchase, which we have some hippos and some matching dies. This is for a $50 purchase, and this is for a $50 purchase. So if you purchase $100, you can get two $50 items. However, we have a level 2, and level 2 items, like this stamp set here, is when you spend $100, you can get this one thing, or you can choose to get two $50 items, okay? And also, during celebration, you can host a party, and if your orders are $300 or more, you'll get this host-only set for free. It's only with the $300 party or a $300 personal order. And if you join my team during celebration, the starter kit is $99 plus tax, free shipping. You will get a free planner, a stamp set, and 3 notebooks. So it's the Making Plans collection. And it comes with all of the calendar sheets to go into the planner, a stamp set, and 3 little notebooks to go along with it. Great, great stuff here, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's jump into this card. I am doing a birthday card, and we have our designer series paper here. I have these 2 triangle shapes. This was a 3x3 square, and I just split it in half. And we have some basic white. This is just scrap for stamping. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4. What Old Olive to layer on is 5 by 3 3/4. Then we have some, what's the name of this color? Fresh Freesia. Okay, this is going to layer behind our triangles here. Then we have a card base of Fresh Freesia, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I am working off of the Show Us Your Sheet Load for July 2022 from Call Me Crafty Al. So if you need all of the measurements, I'll put a link to her video where she talks about how you can get a free PDF with all the measurements and cutting guides to make these cards, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I just used my bone folder to crease that. We're going to get started and do our inside here. And I'm going to start with our fresh freesia. And we're going to stamp birthday kind of at the top here. And then we'll do the Blackberry Bliss. And we're going to do happy. Happy, happy, happy. Uh-oh, I almost stamped it upside down. All those P's and H's and Y's, they look the same. Okay. We're just going to overlap that just a little bit. Happy birthday. Then we'll get our multi-purpose liquid glue. And I have some designer series paper here. This is like 3/4 of an inch wide. And it's going to be cut down to, 4 3/4. I like to leave it a little long in the beginning. And I'll cut it once I attach it to my card, to my little layer here, my inside sentiment layer. Okay, so we got that on there. I'm gonna give that a second to dry before I cut the extra piece off and layer it on. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp our other sentiment, and I wanna start again with the fresh freesia. We're using one of the shapes in the Hello Beautiful stamp set. I'm just going to stamp this right in the middle here. Close that up because we're done with this ink. Then we have a sentiment that says, "This calls for a celebration." We're going to stamp that right in the middle, just like that. And we're going to die cut this out using one of the dies from the, Beautiful Shapes die. So let me get the Baby Boss. This is the mini Stampin' Cutting and Emboss machine. We're going to just cut this out really quickly here so we can get all of our elements together. Oh, don't do that. So center that again. Just line up our plates and run this through. I think I moved it. I moved it again. Okay. And that is all the die cutting. So we can put everything that goes with this away. Here's our little sentiment. Okay, so let's go ahead and start gluing things together. We're gonna get this designer series paper is, excuse me, 5 1/4 by 4. No. Where's my silicone mat? I was not supposed to do that yet. I wanted to use some of the, what is this called? Open weave ribbon. This is the fresh freesia open weave ribbon. And that, I need about that much. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna just pick this up. And lay this on here. Looks like I got a bit too much, but that's okay. That's okay. And we're just going to take some tear and tape. It's just easier for me to use tear and tape. You can use Scotch tape or whatever you want to hold this down. I just use tear and tape because it's easy to tear. As long as you know where the end is. Okay, let's see. Oh, you got to make sure this is straight. Trying to go too fast here. Get that on there. Let's see. How did we do? It's kind of loose. Okay. Getting glue everywhere. I'm just going to take this off. Guess it doesn't matter. Let's just put some glue. We'll leave that on. We'll just put more glue around it. Just put this onto our card base right in the middle. Oh, and I put it on upside down. I wanted the ribbon towards the top. That's okay. It'll still look cute. Let's get this stuff out of the way. So now we have that glued down. Let's glue our little triangles. I'm gonna glue these on here. Try to give it an even border at the top and the side. And you can use, I just use the same square, but if you don't like the opposite side of your designer paper, just get another square and use that. But I liked both of these together. I like the contrast in the color. Let's see, that's gonna bother me. That little end sticking up. Okay. And then we're gonna just put this down on the card front. And I want the green to be this way. So let's see if we can bunch this up underneath here. I have a trick for that. Give me a second to get my, what is this? Stampin' Seal Plus. And we're gonna just do that. Do that, do that. Okay. I am making a mess. Then we're gonna put this. I have to get this straight. Ooh, come on. There we go. Now, if I can just lay that down over it. Good night. That was such a simple thing. Why did it take me so long? I don't know, but we got through it, didn't we? Okay, so let's cut our extra bit off of here and glue this down to its layer. The old olive. You guys, I am trying to stay in frame. I'll keep forgetting that I'm not doing this just for me. You guys need to see what I'm doing. Stop moving so fast, Shauna, and you won't be dropping things. This is for our inside. I picked the old olive because of the old olive that's on the front. So I wanted to tie it in. So we'll have that there. Okay, so we're done with the glue. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to add our sentiment. I'm going to pop this up with 3 dimensionals. I want this more towards the end. There we go. I'm going to put this. Kind of like right there, and then I'm gonna attempt to tie a bow, to stick us a bow on here. Let's see. Do I want a little single bow, or do I want to attempt to do a Marcy Bessaker bow? That would definitely look better. Let's see if we can do that. Do I remember what to do? Nope, I don't remember right now. My brain is not functioning. It's late because I'm waited to the last minute to film my video. And I'm trying to rush. My brain is not working. But that's okay. Oh, that's too much waste. I know, it's just a bow. I'm gonna get through it. You know what? I could just tie this after wasting all that time. Let's just tie this on here. Not even worry about a bow. How about that? Just tie it like that. Yeah. Just do that. There we go. Our faux bow. Oh no. Okay. And I have some bling. We got to add our bling. Let's get our junk out of the way. I have the 2021-23 in color opal rounds. And we're going to use some of these. Come out. Okay, and I'm going to use the Fresh Freesia. So it's 2 different sizes for each color. So we'll use a couple of these. Let's put one here. Let's put one in the middle of this. That's cute. And a small one, where can we put this one? Maybe up here in that little flower. Oh, that's not very centered. I think I want more. I want more. We're supposed to do odd numbers, but I can do more, an odd number that's higher than 3, right? Let's put a small one there. And then I say a larger one. Where do you want to go? Somewhere on this card you will go. Right here? Yeah, let's do it there. Excuse my horrible singing. Okay, you guys, that is it. This is our gorgeous card. I like it. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.